This for the install, and this here for input the USB. Install Canon Epson, this here for the neck and English. Okay, and this here for agree, and okay, and this here for the install, and it put the cable USB the printer, this here for the printer, and install the printer. Might takes 4 minutes. Please why for 2, and the printer installation config here complete successfully. Okay, and here this here for the download before the video before the download the application for the software licensing, and back this here for the application for the official website is here for the Epson. This here for the serial. You scroll down, this here for the download, and this here for the firmware, and this here for finish the download. It is looking here for the activation for the printer here. This here for the activation for the active, and okay, this here for active, and the testing the print, and this one testing the print, and control P, and this here for ready for Epson L121. Okay, and thank you for watching. Like and subscribe my channel, and see you by next time the video.